back, guys. So today's not a normal video because today I'm on a selfie stick. You guys can see that. I'm gonna start vlogging on this to get good angles and a good reach. Right now it is raining, unfortunately. We're still gonna make an exploring video. So cool. So you guys think I'm this far away? Which I'm actually really far away. Like I'm here. You guys think I'm here. So let's hurry up and go before it starts pouring. I don't know if you guys can hear the rain, but it's raining. Okay, so we're gonna check out this little area back here. I always had ideas making a little tree house back here because I went back here before, and it's pretty like a good structure to make a tree house or something like that. So let's go back in it. See, look, the thorns right there. Look at this. The car is back there. But it's a nice little area. Some twigs and some branches. It's a nice area. Okay, guys, wait. Even though it's raining, I'm still going to explore. I think I'll just go grab a raincoat or something like that, or just deal with it. But if it starts to like rain, I'm gonna have to go inside because I don't want to see if I go wet. So yeah, or I'll just like put it under my sleeve and just pray it won't get wet. But it's pretty okay right now. It's a nice little drizzle, not too bad. Okay, let's go explore over here. Because we're about to get hit by a tree. Let me put you up so that pole doesn't distract you. Wait, I can take a selfie. There we go. Okay. Here's the woods. This is a good angle. I feel like it is. Okay, guys. No, you come here every summer. How are this with thorn bushes? Guys, look. Let me flip the camera. All these, the sugar, the screen. All these red things are thorns, and it goes all the way back there. Look, you guys see my tree for it. Where is it? It's by that one tree. Let me point to it in real life. It's right over there. See if we can get around them back. I'm not sure. There's a bunch. You know what? Just because I can't make it, next video I will go out to that big tree over there. And we'll explore there. Look at this. Let me zoom out so you guys can see it like real life. I don't know what that is. Let me take a better look. Wow, there's a big giant. I'm scared. It's scared like a beaver's gonna, not a beaver, groundhog's gonna come out and eat me. Woo! It's good out here. Little drizzle, not bad. I think no, it's still happening. It's just a boring video, so we're not doing much. So I want to make this a little bit more entertaining and go somewhere. Maybe I'll start to show you the river. I'll go down where you guys can see the bridge, but I can't go to the river yet because first of all, it's raining. Second of all, I want to go with my dad, but my dad doesn't care if I vlog when I do it. So my dad knows I vlog, or what do you call it? So, I think this is like a pretty cool little thing, guys. It's like really far away, so you don't have to see me like this. And you can just like see a wide shot of everything. Like I can say, look guys, there's a car. Wait, look. look guys, there's a car over there, car over here. It'll just be like, look guys, there's a car. Cool. So, that's where we explored yesterday. Just want to take another glance. A lot of thorns, a lot of mud. It was crazy then. I think since I'm not doing much this video, I think I'll post another video that I made like I think 3 days ago. Because I make videos like 5 times a day. I just don't post them that day. But if one time like I'm busy that day, I don't have anything to post, I just post a video I already made. So yeah. What is that? I don't even know. So guys, unfortunately, it's raining and I don't even know where to go and vlog at because there's like no spots. I can't find anything. Ooh, I think I know. I think I'll make a I think I'm going to make a fort, you know? But really, oh, it's a cool shot, my shoes walking like that. But it's really sad that I already have a fort. You guys know my brown sink? Yeah, that changed. It's actually copper. I never knew that because it was always like so dirty. I couldn't find it. The majority of this was for me and other people, so I'm not gonna blame it on just other people. I'm not gonna blame it on just me. So, yeah. But thank you so much, guys, for tuning in, and I'll see you next time on my vlogs. Bye, guys.